Today, take a look at the Roedix air duster. So we got our charging cable, it's USB-A to USB-C. We got a couple of long nozzles, which is excellent. This one actually has a brush, so you can get a little bit more physical with it. And we have a handful of short nozzles. This one is actually pretty cool because we can use this to blow up inflatables. Got a couple narrow nozzles, and then we got a very large nozzle. I do like that this came with a bag. So here is the duster. And they covered up the power switch. We don't have to worry about this thing being drained whenever we receive it. So that's something I like. Most of the time with these dusters, they make it so you have to like press and hold a button to turn the thing on. This is just instant on. Let's see if we got speeds. Okay, so it's got 3 speeds. It does put out quite a bit of air. A USB-C port in the back for charging it. Looks like we got a little light in the front too. Yeah, that's blowing everything away over here. Wow. Yeah, so that thing has got quite a bit of power. So the nozzles just kind of press in, and it looks like these larger nozzles can actually go on the back, so we can almost use this like a vacuum. That's cool. Now, without a filter, you might have to worry about clogging up that motor with dirt. So if you put a little filter on there, that would probably be a good idea. But I'm also going to be using this as a duster anyway, so that is not going to be a big deal for me. We're going to see what I can make of this floor. Yeah, that thing has got a lot of power. What I mostly use dusters for is just for cleaning out electronics, especially the inside of computer cases. These things are a lifesaver. I love the fact that it's battery powered. I don't have to worry about something like a compressed duster that runs out to go buy more. Cool. So overall, that is a very nice duster.